is that? A senior building? Ecumenical? Whatever that is pronounced. Let's really quickly see. Is there a freight elevator here? What? Listen to that thing. Someone's got an old speaker in there. I don't understand this layout. Why do you have two elevators facing the opposite way? That doesn't make sense to me. Sounds like someone's getting on, I'll be getting off. Yeah, I don't get the point of having two elevators facing the opposite way. How's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
So there's an elevator there, and then where she's going is another elevator. It doesn't make any sense. Why don't you just have them right next to each other? Odd. Anyway, that's all.